Meaning of go-kart.
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 Go-kart. A go-kart is a small, typically four-wheeled vehicle that is designed to be driven by a person. It is usually propelled by pedals or an electric motor, and is used for recreational purposes such as racing or simply for fun. Go-karts can vary in size and style, and can be made from a variety of materials such as wood, metal, or plastic. They are often used by children and teenagers, but can also be enjoyed by adults. Overall, a go-kart is a fun and exciting way to enjoy the outdoors and experience the thrill of speed and adventure.